case Sh5.4mn in support of Demo Security and Verification Services Limited Bill purporting to be a genuine Kenya Revenue Authority KRA tax compliance certificate issued to Demo Security and Verification Services Limited. We know that the tax compliance certificate did not belong to Demo Security and Verification Services Limited, thereby proudly winning the state whose total value was 5 million Kenya shillings, 5,448,000 Kenya shillings. Makubali mwanakata. The bill is submitted to Keroka Technical Training Institute of False documents, namely a Kenya Revenue Tax Compliance Certificate, serial number KRA KS 1127548622, as part of the bill submitted under tender number KT-1/2022-2024 in the name of Demo Security and Investigation Services Limited, falsely presenting the certificate as a genuine tax compliance certificate issued by the Kenya Revenue Authority to Demo Security and Investigation Services, thereby securing an award of the tender valued at Kenya shillings 5,448,000. True. Corruption and Economic Crimes Act 2003. Gilbert Mumani on between 28 July 2022 and 1st August 2024 at Keroka Technical Training Institute in this county, in the Republic of Kenya, being a limited liability company incorporated in Kenya as a director of the same company respectively. You proudly acquire public property amounting to 5,448,000 Kenya shillings, being a cumulative contract payment made from public funds with respect to tender number KT-1/2022-2024 for the provision of security services for the same having been awarded upon submission and use of false Kenya Revenue Authority tax compliance certificate number KRA/KS/1127548622, falsely represented as a genuine tax compliance certificate issued to Demo Security and Investigation Services Limited. True or not true? They are not guilty.
Having the proper protocols, we can get the copy supplied in court.
To all the counts charged, the accused person shall be released on bond of Kenya shillings 2 million plus one surety of the said amount for a cash bail of 1 million shillings. I further order that the accused person shall deposit his passport in court. Pending this trial, the matter will come up for pre-trial conference on 6th of July.
Madam, you know, just for this, the matter will be before you or it's allocated to another court?
This is a court one matter. Yes.
Most of them.